Good day, everyone. How are you? I hope you are doing fine. I know learning is challenging in this time of pandemic, and we are all trying to cope up with it. And so, we will do all possible ways to deliver lesson. Let's learn at the same time. In this video lesson, I will talk about research design. I know that I have given you already the modules about this, but most of you are having a hard time understanding it. Now, it is understandable given that the topic is a difficult one. And so, I made this lesson to discuss it thoroughly and help you understand it. Let's begin. Let's start with the definition of research design and its importance. According to the definition of MACOMS, research design serves as a framework for research planning and answering your research question. By this, according to him, research design means determining the following. The first one is the type of data you need in your study. Number two is that research design will help you um, determine your source of data or your participants. In our case, it is our experimental unit or EU, our experimental unit. Another thing is that research design will help you determine your variables as well as your hypothesis. And lastly, number four is it will help you in determining the appropriate and correct way to collect your data, collection of data. Another definition of research design is it refers to the complete sequence of steps that will be undertaken in a project. Before we dig deeper in this, let us recall first the research process. So here is the model or the cycle of the research process. We are through with the discussion on identification of problems, and the next one is literature search, where you need literatures to support your claims and also to determine the feasibility of your study. The next one is formulating hypothesis. Then after that, you searched again for more related literatures. Now we are on the fifth stage of the research process, which is formulating your research design. So we are here in formulating your research design.